Hi there, this is Shubham. Welcome to Web Coders. So now what we're going to learn today is to understand the skeleton of HTML, which are the HTML tags. So without wasting any more time, let's move on. So there are basically two types of HTML tag. The first one which I'm going to show you is the tags which have both opening and closing tags. These tags actually required the opening section and the other one is the closing section, and the difference between opening and closing is just that in the closing section tag there is one slash before the opening section tag, and in between this opening and closing tags you insert or squeezes your text. And another one are auto close tags such as break tag and horizontal rule tags, which doesn't require the closing tag. They are auto close tags. So it's now time to visit our documentation for proper understanding what we are talking about is devdocs.io. So here is the devdocs.io, and if you go to the HTML section, in which if you go to element and if you go to h1 heading element, see in the tag omission it have written none, both the starting and ending tags are mandatory, means it is not auto close tag, it require both ending and closing tag. And if you go to horizontal rule tag, the hr tag, in the tag omission you can again see it must have a start tag but must not have an end tag, so it is not mandatory to have end tag. So now we are going to be more deeper with doing a small project. If you go to a website named Gutenberg.organization, which is also called as Gutenberg project, and we go to the book named as The Return of Sherlock Holmes, we are going to just try to replicate this text in the same form in our code playground, which we have already talked about in the previous video, which is CodePen here. So we are just what going to do today is we are just going to replicate or try to copy the same format in which there it have written in the basic HTML, and please don't take the background color here, because we are not going to talk about these background colors because just you are learning HTML, not CSS. So just we are trying to do and make this structure. So first there is a heading element, the return of Sherlock Holmes, starting with the h1 heading element because this is the most bolder one. So writing the title, the return of Sherlock Holmes in h1, and as I have to just end the tag, now close the tag, just I have put one slash and I have written properly the title. Now I have to write the by Arthur Conan Doyle, the writer's name. So I'm just going to use the s2 tag which we have already talked about in the previous video. So I'm not going in details about s2 tag now. You can just go and watch that video. Arthur Conan. Ignore if some error occur in text typing. That's not the point. We have to learn about more about tags. So you can see now we have written already two lines, but here you can see that there's somewhat more gap between the first one heading and between the author name. So what we are going to use here is, as I've talked about the auto close tag named break tag. So I'm just going to put the break tag just after the starting of opening of h2 tag, and since it is auto close tag, it doesn't require any closing tag or ending tag. And you can see there is some more space occurred. Actually the break tag do what is that it breaks the line, that flow of that HTML text. So I can show you one more example, that if I just insert the break tag here after the content, it will break the doyle after that, means flow of HTML, and it will print in the next line the doyle, as you can see here. So I'm using that trick. When we talk about CSS, we can do by using the property of alignment and somewhat else also. But now since we're using only HTML, let's move on with the break tag. Now after that, you can see there is a line which can be drawn using the tag name as horizontal rule tag HR tag, which is also an auto close tag. So just writing the HR tag after the writer's name, and you can see that a line is drawn. But here you can see that this line is somewhat more smaller, and also it's blue in color. uh, so how we can change these properties? So these properties are changed by using the special words named as attributes, which are used for changing the property of HTML elements which are written between the tags. So I'm going to again dev docs, and you can see here the HR tag and its attributes for color. You can see here color option. So I'm just writing color, and we want dark blue, so I'm just writing blue, and you can see it become blue. Now you can see it is looking somewhat more thicker. So changing, if you want to change the thickness of a horizontal rule, we can change by using the attribute name as size. It says that it sets the height in pixels of the rule. So if we just set the size 1 pixel, it is sufficient now. And we can also smaller the width using the width attribute. I'm just going to set it to 500 pixel, and if you more practice, you will get to know, I will know that how much you have to put the width by just by practicing. So we have done. So now there is one more text. I'm just going to write 2 lines. The Strand Magazine 1903. I'm going to use the H4 tag. And 1903 next line using the H5 tag. And now you can see almost it looks like same, but one major difference is that these tags are center aligned and ours not. So I'm just going to use one more tag named as center tag, which require both opening and closing tag. When we study about CSS, we can use other methods, but now we are just going to use HTML. So now it almost look like the same as here given. And if you want to lessen this space, you can do by using the property of HTML, or just writing 1903 in same line and use the break tag. And I'm not drawing again other horizontal rule. You can just go on and practice by yourself. So that's for all. I have taught you about the break tag, horizontal rule tag, using the H1 tag, center tag. So keep practicing, and if you like the video and content of the video, please share, subscribe, and also if you have any doubt, please ask me in the comment section. So that's all.